Hello guys, how are we doing? This is Force 13 Extra and I've got a very special installment of Cooking Strat with Nathan Foy. So, it's a step-by-step guide on how to cook a Strat, and we're going to go and get one now. It's a good idea to freeze your Strat, put them in the freezer for about 2 or 3 days before getting them out. Alright, so let's get out one of these freshly frozen Strat. So here's a Strat I prepared earlier. He's been in the freezer for about half a week. As you can see, there he is. It's great. Cook the Strat in the oven at 250 degrees for 5 minutes. And when it's ready, get your Strat out. Oh dear. Oh my goodness. I think we've had a bit of an accident with Strat. We might have to...
Yes! You are so sassy, Strat.